Okay, now we are come to Kurşunlu Waterfall and we will do our first vlog one with Kyle. Let's go. It's great. Yeah, listen to nature now. This is a secure place. Where did you buy this selfie thing?
Wow.
For this information.
It's good for picnicking.
Yes.
It's good for forest crabs.
Yes.
You see ducks.
Mm-hmm.
You see mushrooms.
Mm-hmm.
You see many pine trees and beautiful forests. And it's a peaceful place with caves.
And there are some restaurants too here to take a break, right?
Yeah, nice restaurants. The ducks.
Now we are going to do maybe the restaurants
Okay.
with this. The weather is so nice too today. So it's easy for us to travel and see everywhere. But I really want to rest a little with drinking coffee maybe. At the end we come to Osmanlı Mustache. Let's go. We find a place to drink some coffee.
How do you like the restaurant?
Yes, we just sit here. We will take a coffee now. We want to check around a little when we are sitting because every place is wet, so we can. Yeah, come and have a coffee. This is Turkish coffee here. You see, is it poms, right? What is it, Kyle? Pom
Yeah.
in English, and it's a lot of poms. It is very special. And this is the Turkish delight. When you are in Turkey, you need to try Turkish delight in anywhere. It is like sugar. It is present with the coffee here. Let's see how it is. Sleeping.
Angry.
I'm sleeping, man. Sorry for disturb you. Okay, we will leave you alone. So, we found something to eat. We are hungry now. If you are hungry in the forest, you can eat this strawberry. No,
Blackberry.
blackberry. Please, please. You eat, Kyle. Okay. First we try on Kyle. No, just joking. It's good. Oh no. Okay, but this is a little coming to this color and not go. Be careful. There are a lot. You want? Maybe we are hungry. But okay, now we are going. It's a little small. You need to be careful. Let's go. It is trembling. What is it in English? No. What is it in English? What is it?
It's like unstable.
Is it unstable? We are going. Empty. But these are iron.
Yeah, it's stable.
Yeah, if there's no wood, then we will go with this iron thing, yes.
Uh-oh.
Here the ballet. To exit or we are going on?
I don't
To
know.
do our adventure, let's go on. We come here for 30 minutes from the city center and we need to go on to our adventure. Yes.
To the waterfall.
Come here from Canada to see this Kurşunlu Waterfall.
I came all the way to this
Yes.
place.
Yes, we need to see everywhere. In Canada, there are a lot of leaves down. I see in the photos,
Yeah, maple leaves everywhere.
and they are like colorful, like the pink flowers. Sometimes I see, sometimes I see yellow leaves there. Right?
Yeah.
So my YouTube name will be Los in Gamze because I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what I'm doing now. So just come, just go. Let's discover it together. If you want to ask something when I'm going some places, ask, then I will go that places. I just read a little and go and see. Just I'm doing this for now. Let's discover. Lost with Gamze in this forest. Then we will lost in Istanbul later. You will Kyle come to Istanbul, right? Then we will lost in Istanbul. Now we are losing in Antalya. We reserve here for all of you to see every nature. You see there's chairs. Sit here and watch the view all day, and I will do. We need to be. I cannot say in English. We need to be sure that it's clean, empty, and look around. Look around.